do we want here? We want girls playing sports. And girls who play sports say they don't like these uniforms, that these uniforms aren't fit for purpose, that they don't suit their needs. And yet they're not being listened to. It strikes me as extraordinary.
15-year-old daughter, and Camogie is her life. She loves the Camogie.
Can I ask you, Alan, what does she say about the Skort?
Oh, listen, 100%. She's basically was demonstrating again yesterday that firstly you spend half the match fixing it because you end up in tussles and it moves. It often
So it's
because
a
of that.
nuisance. Okay.
Yeah, and it impedes you then when you're striking the ball at times, which actually becomes a safety issue because you end up doing something potentially that as in the way in which you strike.
You could injure yourself in some manner or form.
Or somebody else, and uncomfortable, very uncomfortable, impractical, and basically, a 15-year-old living in 2025, very forthright in their views that basically this is wrong.
Girls don't like them.
Yeah,
and this has been surveyed.
Players don't like them.
Yeah, players don't like them.
This went before Congress
last year.
Camogie Association Congress last year. It was defeated with two motions: one to get rid of them completely, another to have them alongside shorts. Both were defeated. Won them by the narrowest margin was kind of 60-40 against. Not due to come up till 2027, which is the point being made by the Camogie Association is was a democratic vote at Congress determined that the rules governing our playing wear should not change. They're talking about looking at developing more comfortable skorts.
The problem here is they're saying, well, we've asked our members, and our members say this, but the members that they've asked, the people at county board level who voted these things, are not the people who wear it. And it shows me a disconnect between the players and actually management, because this is something the players are saying, and they're saying we don't like it. And what do we want here? We want girls playing sports. And girls who play sports say they don't like these uniforms, that these uniforms aren't fit for purpose, that they don't suit their needs. And yet they're not being listened to. It strikes me as extraordinary. And also lots of people texting, and I'm fully in agreement with this.
Yeah.
Why are we having in 2025 to enforce clothing in sports on sex-based kind of things? In other words, why should girls, athletes, have to wear skirts because they're girls when they want to wear shorts?